Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a gift card on Target. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Target, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, using a Target gift card online offers several advantages and conveniences because Target's online store offers a vast range of products across categories like electronics, clothing, home goods, groceries, and more. Now, you can easily browse and choose from a comprehensive selection without needing to visit a physical store. And from here, if you haven't already, you need to choose the gift cards that you wanted here on Target. They have the Target gift cards, specialty gift cards, video game gift cards if you wanted to give someone a gamer a gift card using here in Target. Of course, they also have the Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, plus the corporate and bulk gift cards. But of course, we're choosing the Target gift cards for now. And once you've done that, what will happen is you would be able to see the selection, and is particularly convenient for business schedules or when visiting a Target store isn't feasible for you. Now, once you have decided to the Target gift card that you wanted, you can also check the gift card balance to make sure you have enough balance to, of course, you would use that to purchase some items. For example, right here, all you have to do is put in your card number, access number, and from there you would be able to check your balance. Say, for example, you have enough balance and maybe you wanted to buy some soda right now. Click on the specific item that you wanted to purchase. Now, for example, you wanted to click on a specific item that you wanted, all right? Click on top deals, clothing and shoes and accessories and details, maybe like a sandals. Now, I'm gonna add this item to the cart. It should supposed to be appear on the cart section here. Now, once this item has been added to your cart and you went to the checkout process, all you have to do is put in your Target gift card online number, and you would be able to redeem the Target gift card that you have previously purchased. Otherwise, if you encounter any problems with using the Target gift card online, you might want to go to the Target Contact Help Center, and these are the numbers, and of course you can contact them directly. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.